everybody, it's Jay and Elizabeth. Welcome back from the Real 850. It is a beautiful Saturday, first Saturday in May. We have a lot going on today. We actually have our first annual Panama City Beach air show this afternoon that we're going to go to by boat. So we thought we would come out here and do some fishing first, and then we will head on over to the air show. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll show some fish here, and then we'll take you to the air show.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I mean, just like that.
Okay, bud. There is a grouper.
Another grouper?
We took advantage of another good weekend of calm seas, light winds, and plenty of sunshine here in the Florida Panhandle, and we're able to get offshore to fish the numerous artificial reefs available in our area.
Probably is the same one.
Give me that.
When bottom fishing with either live or cut bait, you never know what you're going to hook into, which is the main reason we enjoy coming out here when the conditions are good.
Yeah, it's not biting as much, so.
We expect to throw back some red snapper and gag grouper that are out of season, but we're really targeting the bigger mangrove snapper that live offshore, red grouper, large trigger fish, and vermilion snapper.
It's a small trigger.
Oh, yeah. Small trigger. 13, 14 incher.
Yeah.
Not a keeper. He looks close. He might be a keeper. I think that's a keeper. Maybe.
I don't know. It's going to be really close. Really close.
Oh yeah, he has to be what, 15?
Yeah, that was definitely a keeper.
Yep, he's 15. Nice. Nice. Another keeper trigger.
Yeah.
As soon as I dropped it, there was something there. Not hard.
We're waiting on June 1st, and I guarantee you, June 1st, we won't be able to come out here. There'll be so many boats out here.
Yes, for sure.
And we're just loading up the snapper.
Yep.
Another snapper.
Another snapper.
There was a shark underneath it too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Another nice one.
Yep. All right, let's get him off. Get him back in there. Yeah. Oh, is this a big trigger?
Oh,
What
no.
is this? Mangrove snapper?
Is that a mangrove?
Oh, it's a scamp grouper.
Oh.
Oh, it's a red grouper.
Oh, nice. What size do they have to be?
Oh man, I think
Let me look. Nice. That's our first red grouper.
grouper, I believe.
He is an inch short. Got to go back. That's our first red grouper, though. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice catch, though, babe.
Yeah.
It's a little too short.
I think it's pretty, isn't it?
Yep.
Another
Snapper.
snapper.
Not a very big
Feels
one.
Just like a 16, 17 inch snapper. They're so good eating to that size. I know everybody wants to catch those big ones. Oh, nope. Oh,
What is
wait.
it? Wait a minute. Do you have two? No, you have another red grouper. And there was a snapper behind
There's
it.
a snapper following this up.
Yes, there was a snapper following that
red
grouper
grouper.
up. That was interesting. I thought you had two fish at one time for a minute.
Look at that, folks. I haven't ever caught a red grouper.
And we caught two.
Not out of my personal boat. I've
Right.
caught them, you know, with charters, and I've caught 2 today. I
And they're
can't
not
keep either
20
one of them.
inches.
Can't keep either one of them.
But that was interesting. There was a red snapper.
Yeah, there was a red snapper following it up. That
Yeah,
was weird.
I thought you had 2 fish. I was like, how did that happen? All right.
Man, I wish I could keep that.
Yes, me too.
Good eating.
We'd be eating grouper tonight. Looks like it might be a snapper.
Snapper?
You know, I say that and then mine's an amberjack.
Right. Maybe it's a big trigger
Maybe.
or another grouper. Yeah.
Snapper.
Good snapper. Good one though. Another keeper.
Yep. Another keeper we can't keep.
Right.
All right, Neelan. Okay. Neelan likes snapper too.
Yeah. We're just wearing out the red snapper right now. And Elizabeth and I are just laughing because it opens up June 1st, which is about a month from now. And my guess is, first of all, we won't be able to find a spot on a wreck, on an open reef, on a public reef anyway, to get to. Second of all, the weather will probably be bad. And then third, we probably won't get any bite. And it's just crazy how they got this season and we catch them all the time until the season starts. But hopefully,
It's kind of like amberjack's open right now.
hopefully we'll be able to get out.
And we haven't caught one. Right?
Right, yeah, amberjack season opened up and you guys have seen us enough. Every time we come out, we catch an amberjack. We haven't seen or heard of an amberjack since it opened.
Neelan, are you ready for the air show?
Probably ready.
I'm not sure what he's going to think about that because it's going to be really
Yeah.
loud. I'm not sure if he's going to like the air show or not.
We ended up with 1 keeper triggerfish, and on the way in, we ran across a floating tree that was covered with small mahi. We decided to harvest a few so we could have some fresh tacos along with our triggerfish. The air show took place along the beach near Pier Park, and we had a front row seat along with hundreds of other boaters. The Thunderbirds were the main attraction, and they didn't disappoint. If you ever have a chance to view an air show from the water, we highly recommend it. There's really only one way to head back in once the show is over, so use your imagination on how this unfolded when hundreds of boats began racing back to St. Andrews Pass. Let's just say Elizabeth was not too thrilled.
Look, she is like not ready.
Watch the tea first.
We've got a great video coming up soon, so be sure and subscribe if you haven't already and turn your notifications on. You don't want to miss this one.
Get him, Elizabeth. Oh, he's pulling off my line.
Alright, we got a tarpon on.
We're on him today, guys.
Good. Oh, there's 2 on that.
What do you got?
Yeah, endangered red snapper.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
You're on the plane train, buddy.
there you go. Awesome.
What do you think, huh?
My back didn't